So I bought the Screentify, $15 for 1 month, so I can make as long video as I want. So last time we talked about the rate of change, which is a slope, and I also gave you the formula to plug the number in. When you do the quiz on Khan Academy, if you see a question like, what is this function? What is the range that gives this function a 0? All you have to do is plug in the number from your answer choices if your answer is 0, and that's your answer. So today we're going to continue with polynomial. We have 3 different parts. First, I'm going to talk about the definition, the specific terms for polynomials, and then the addition and subtraction of polynomial. Then we're going to start into multiplication of polynomial. So in this quiz or chapter, you will see several terms like degree, leading coefficient, or constant. Those are the terms we use a lot in the function in polynomial or algebraic expression. So what is the degree? For example, if you see 2x to the power 4, so this is our expression, 2x to the power 4. Our degree is the power of the variable. So the 4 here is degree. And then our coefficient here is 2. 2 is the coefficient, and 4 is degree. So that just monomial. So that means one term. Okay. So if you see something like a long-term expression, for example, 2x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 6 plus 8. So here we have variable to the various degrees and also an 8. What are those? So when you have several terms together, the degree is the highest degree among those terms. So we have 2 degree. We have degree to the power 4. We have to the power 6. So the degree of this expression is the highest degree 6. And the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is the coefficient of the expression with the highest power. So the expression with the highest power is 3x to the power 6. So the coefficient here is 3. So the leading coefficient is 3. Okay, what about 8? Whenever you see a number by itself, that number 8 is 8 no matter what. So the value of 8 does not change. Any number with no variable is what we call constant. So the constant in this expression is 8. Another example, we have x to the power 5 plus 3x minus 6. So here, our leading coefficient is 5. Our degree of the whole expression is 5. Our leading coefficient, it should be the number with x to the power 5, right? But there's no number in front of x. That means our number is 1. So our leading coefficient should be 1. And our constant is the number by itself. The number is -6. As to standard form is an expression listed in order of descending degree. So whenever you see something like x to the power 5 minus 3x 4 plus 2x minus 1, to determine if it's a standard form, all you have to look at is the degree. And we can see the first one is 5, the second one is 4, the third one is 1, and then the last one is a constant. That means there's no degree, which is 0. So 4, 5, 4, 1, 0 is actually in descending order. So it is a standard form. If you see something like x to the power 2 minus 3x to the power 5 plus 1, and you see the first or degree is 2, then go up to 5, then go down to constant, which is a 0, then it's not in a descending matter. So it's not a standard form.